Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's get started with our NAVODAYA coaching class, which is obviously free of cost for you. So let's see what we have for the day. I'll quickly share my screen. Before we start, dear children, I would like to tell you all that we are live on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. And as we are live, make sure that you are using the chat box, live chat box, so that you can interact with me. You can ask questions, whatever doubts you have, or you can, just give answer to the questions. All right. So I'm waiting for you all. Okay. Again, a very good evening to all of you present here. Here we go. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. So as you know, we are doing smart tables. Today also, we will be doing smart tables, and this is the part 4 of smart tables. Let's draw the graphs from the smart tables. Here, which year's strength was maximum? The question is, this graph actually shows the strength of students in a school from 2021 to 2024. What is the strength? How many students are there in a school? And this is the data from 2021, year 2021 to year 2024. Okay, the bars that are over there, you can see they are the number of students. Here, these on the x-axis, we have written the years. And on the y-axis, we have written the number of students. On the y-axis, it's number of students. So the question says that which year or years the strength was maximum. In which year the strength was maximum. Maximum means the most. Most of the students are there, like maximum number of students. So it is year 2024. Year 2024. Maximum strength in year 2024. Next question, which year's strength was the minimum, the least? Which year's strength was the minimum, the least? I can also call it as the least. So here, year 2021 and 2023 both have the same number of students, and I think that's the least. 2021 and 2023. The strength was least. Which year there was maximum increase in the strength? Maximum increase in the strength. Which year there was maximum increase in the strength? So here, if I compare like 2021 and 2022, the increase is just 50 students increased. Then from 2022 to 2023, there is a decrease. Then from 2023 to 2023 to 2024, the increase is 50, 100, 150. So the maximum increase in the strength was in year 2024. Like 2023, the strength increased. After 2023, the strength increased. So in 2024, there was a maximum increase in the strength. Which year there was decline in strength? The strength declined, went down. So the strength was declined in year 2023. Because in 2022, there were 150 students, and in 2023, we saw a downfall. It reduced by 50. So in year 2023, there was a decline in the strength of students. How many A grades were scored grade in 2024? How many A grades were scored in 2024? So this is the data of number of grades, A grades actually, scored by students of a class year-wise. So this is not about all the grades, it's just about grade A. It's just about grade A. How many A grades were scored in 2024? So on x-axis, the years are written, and on the y-axis, the number of A grades are written. Yeah. How many A grades were scored in year 2024? So here I can see that 5 grade A were scored in year 2024. Let's go to the next one. In which year maximum number of A grades were scored? Maximum number of A grades. The most. I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box, dear children. I want you to reply. Or if you have any doubts, any questions, please let me know in the chat box. In which year maximum number of A grades were scored? Maximum is 2022. In 2022, maximum number of grades A were scored. 2022. The next question is, in which year there is a decline in number of A grade scored? Decline. In which year there is decline in number of A grade scored? So if you see from 2020 to 2021, the number of grades are increasing from 2021 to 2022 also. But after 2022, the grades started decreasing. Like in 2023, the grades decreased. In 2024, the grades decreased even more. So 2023 and 2024, there we saw the decline in number of A grades. Which consecutive years there was decline in the number of A grade scored? Which consecutive years there was decline in the number of A grade scored? So consecutive means, one after the other without any break. So 2023 and 2024 are these 2 years. Because after 2022, it's 2023, there was decline. And after 2023, there is 2024. So again, a decline. But here, wait a second. What? So here is the data of number of visitors to a zoo on days of the week. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest number of visitors? Highest and the lowest number of visitors. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest number of visitors? Okay, so here the highest number of visitors were on Sunday, and I can see 700, and lowest on Wednesday and Monday, that is 100. What is the difference? Highest and the lowest number of visitors. Highest is 700, lowest is 100. So the difference is 600. Highest 700, lowest 100. Here also it's 100. The difference is 600. What is the difference between the highest and lowest number of buses to zoo? So here, yep. Here we have a data of special buses to a zoo in a week. That was for visitors. The last question was related to the visitors to a zoo. Now here we have the data of special buses to a zoo in a week. So what is the difference between the highest and lowest number of buses to zoo? Come on, everyone. Highest number of buses on Sunday, that is 35, and lowest number of buses on Monday and Tuesday, that is 5 and 5. So we can say highest 35 minus lowest is 5. 35 minus 5 is 30. 30 is the answer. Which year has the greatest increase in the rainfall in the city? So here is the data of rainfall from 2018 to 2024 in centimeters and of a particular city. So we need to find the greatest increase. Which year has the greatest increase in the rainfall in the city? So which year has the greatest increase in the rainfall in the city? The greatest increase. So if I talk about the increase here, 200 and 500, the increase is 300 centimeters. If I talk about the increase here we have 100 and 500 here, the increase is 400 centimeters. If I talk about the increase here, we have 500 here and 600 here. The increase is 100 centimeters here. So I think the greatest one is 400. The greatest is 400, like the increased, how much it has increased. So which year has the greatest increase in rainfall? That is 2023. And I can see your answers in the chat box. I'm glad to see that. It's okay. Now moving on to the next one. Okay, so here we'll see this. Yeah. Increase here is 300. Here it's 400. And here we have only 100. So greatest is 400. So 2023 has the highest increase in the rainfall in the city. 500 minus 100, that is 400. Which year has the greatest decrease in the rainfall in the city? Greatest decrease. Okay, so here, which year has the greatest decrease in the rainfall? Let's see. If I talk about this from 2018 to 2019, the decrease is 200. From 2021 to 2022, it's 200. And here in 2022, the decrease is 200. So that means 2019, 2021, and 2022 had greatest decline in the rainfall. All have a difference of 200. So 3 years. That's the answer. Next one, which year the rainfall was above 400 centimeters? Above 400. Above 400, that means above this point. Year 2020, year 2023, year 2024. 3 years. Again, 2020, 2023, 2024. Next question. Which year has the rainfall above 200 centimeters? In which year the rainfall was above 200 centimeters? So here the rainfall above 200 centimeters, so like above this point, what are the 2018, 2020, 2021, 2023, and 2024? Above 200 centimeters. 2018, 2020, 2021, 2023, and 2024. Which year there was decline in jobs offered? So this is the data of number of jobs offered by a company from 2018 to 2024. Which year there was decline in jobs offered? Decline is decrease. So here there was decline in jobs offered. Which year there was decline in jobs offered? So I can see decline here in this year 2019, 2020, 2021. Yeah, these are the 3 years when we saw the decline. Next one, which year there was highest decline in jobs offered? Highest decline in jobs offered. Highest decline. So if I see the decline here from 150 to 250, the decline is 100. From here, 100 to 150, the decline is 50. From 50 to 100, again, the decline is 50. So I think the highest decline is in year 2019. 2019. Next question. Which year, which year the number of jobs offered was minimum? In which year the number of jobs offered were minimum? So the minimum jobs were offered in year 2021, the least. Yeah. Next one. Which year saw the highest decline in number of trains? So this is another question which shows the graph, shows the data of trains, that number of trains that run towards Tirupati from different parts of country. So from 2018 to 2024, these are the years, and here on y-axis we have written the number of trains. Which year saw the highest decline in number of trains? Highest. Oh my God, I can see that it is clearly visible. So from here to here, if I talk about this 20 and this is 60, 40 is the difference. The decline is of 40 trains. The 40 is the difference here. And from 20 to, wait, this is 10. From 20 to 10, this is only 10. So the highest decline is seen in 2020. Highest decline in 2020. So here I'll write 10. All right. Let's move to the next question. Which year saw highest increase in the number of trains? Highest increase. Highest increase in the number of trains. Which year showed that? So, okay, first I'll give you a chance to do. Come on, children, do it. I can see a good response in the live chat. Good job. 20, 23, 24. Okay, let's see. It says the highest increase. You can still check your answer. Okay, so if I talk about the increase here 50, 60, this is 20, 10, this is 40, here we have 50 again, and this is 60. Let's see. Now, over here, the increase is like 50 to 60 means 10, then There is no increase from 60 to 20. It's actually declining. 20 to 10, it's declining. Now 10 to 40, that means the increase is 10. Number of trains increased like is 10. Now 40 to 50, again 10. 50 to 60, again 10. So what's the maximum? Yeah, right. Now I got the right answer. 2022, it's 30. Yes, that is the correct answer. 2022. 2022. Next one. Which year the number of trains to Tirupati are maximum? Number of trains are maximum. The highest. So there are 2 years in which I can see maximum number of trains. So I can see 2 years over here, that is 2019 and 2024. Very good. Answered twice in the chat box, Mane Yadagiri. And then there is Roja who is answering. Good job. Well done. Okay. Next question, and actually the last question. But here we are going to discuss a few things. Okay, after that. Next is which year the number of trains to Tirupati are minimum. Minimum, you can call it as least also. So here, if I talk about least, I can see in 2021, there are least number of trains. Yeah, the minimum. So that's how you have to do it. And that's all for our today's class. But this is not the end of our class. Let's discuss a few things, dear children. We started with data, right? Data is the information. And after that, we learned why do we need to, put the data in a proper format or arrange the data so that we can get a better understanding of that. We can have it handy. Now, there are different ways in which you can keep your data. We learned about tally marks and we learned about bar graphs and we did histogram as well. So in that way, you can put your data. So, and yeah, there was frequency table as well, which wherein you were putting the tally marks. So in that way, the data can be arranged. Now, what are the points that you need to keep in mind is, if I talk about bar graphs, so the bars that you draw, the bars should be of equal width and they should be at an equidistant. Like, it should not be like one bar is too wide and another one is narrow. No, they should be of equal width. Then we learned that, in that frequency table, the five, like there is a group of five. First, we draw four tally marks, four lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is always in slant. So that makes a group of five. And there were certain other things. If you remember, I showed you the picture of the data, means there were fruits and vegetables, and I asked you to pick one, to find one particular fruit or vegetable, but you couldn't because the fruits or the vegetables, they all were scattered, right? They were not arranged properly. So it is required, it is necessary to arrange the data in a proper order, in a proper format, so that we can get information easily, we can read the information easily, we can understand the information easily. Okay, so that's about data handling. That's about like we are doing frequency, we are doing this smart tables. This is another way of arranging the data. So yes, children, with this, we are done with our today's class, and I would like to wish you all a very, very, very happy Children's Day. You're the future. Enjoy your day, have fun, and keep practicing. Okay. Thank you so much for joining the class. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the video, the link of the channel with your friends so that they can also take benefit from these free classes. Okay. Pleasure. I can see some amazing messages in the chat box. Yeah. So, yes, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. I wish you all the success and happiness in life. Bye-bye, dear children. Have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Bye-bye.